Sorry. We are in Johannesburg. We are repatriating the late Simpson Muzenda to Harare, Zimbabwe. At Masvingo. Yeah. So good afternoon to everyone. We are in Johannesburg. I hope you guys are very well. Thank you very much for it's just gonna be a very short live that we are doing. Few days ago, or 4 or 5 days ago, some members from the diaries vakandi approacha vakati, Mr. Munetsi, kune vanhu vatapa namba yenyu vawirwa nedambudziko and tokumbirawo kuti muvabatsirewo. Ndobva family yandi conductor ndobva vandudza kuti vasi vamwe vana havana vadiki, they are very young, vashayikirwa nababa vavo, saka tokumbira kuti muvabatsire kuti bhodhi iende kuZimbabwe. So takamanyamanyawo, takatanga kukurukura navo, takamboita some bit of challenges, ndobva vamboenda kwavaifanira kubatsirwa. Unfortunately hazvina kuzofamba zvakanaka, ndobva vazodzoka again kwatiri vakati, Mr. Munetsi, whatever happened, chikumbiro chatinacho ndechekuti mutitakurire kuti bhodhi iende kuZimbabwe. We don't take things personal. I know sometimes different people came with different views. Some they say so, but later on the family came back and they said, whatever happened, we want to work with you. While this we are waiting for one or a few family members to come, I'm just going to ask one of my senior drivers, Mr. Nyati, just to come on live. I want to introduce you. Let's just wait for the casket first to come. I'll give you the time to come. Okay, just supervise. You can see the coffin is coming. Very beautiful one, very expensive one. Very expensive casket. Yeah, not most of the people afford these ones, but I will tell you this is a very expensive casket. We are repatriating this body from Johannesburg to Masvingo. Yeah, you can see the gentlemen, they are putting it in the trailer. You can see. So some people must get inside. Yeah, remove the flowers. My flowers are not bad kumberi. Even the lace, you can also remove it for now. Most of this are kushika. Yes. No, it's fine. We are covered. We'll sort that everything. Don't worry. Yeah, let's just make sure everything is sorted. Yeah. Madi kuti vapindana someone mukatumu. Mr. Nyati, Madu, let's reach a number report to Sungisco body Yakushik, the list. Yeah, if I'm going to visit the list.
That blanket is going on top.
Yeah, it's going to set our screen.
Oh, yeah. Come on.
Yeah. All right.
How many people are there?
No, it's fine. I'll give you the full quantum. 11 people can fit.
Oh.
Yeah. So yeah, I think Shiri Mukwara. Yeah, Shiri Mukwara. Ayo, Mr. Nyati. Where's my drive? Mr. Nyati. Oh, upichinosisa sei ukukuku.
No,
and when my bags akawanda 40 saka.
balance panapa.
All right, Saka will give you your time to prepare. Let's just allow him. He knows exactly. Yeah. My bags esari kuenda ngawo yepanapa. Zvese. Zvatinotakura nezvatisingakwanise tinobatakudzai. Yeah. 2 minutes on live. Mr. Nyati. Most of the viewers, they know you as one of the senior drivers. How has been the challenge? What are the challenges in the industry at the moment? Honestly. I know you came yesterday. You arrived this morning.
Yeah, this morning.
You know, I really appreciate people like Mr. Nyati. He arrived this morning. You coming from which boat were you dropping that one in? Murewa.
Yes.
He just arrived this morning and is driving back to Zimbabwe. What a sacrifice.
Yes.
Yeah.
The challenges that we face is only through the roadblocks in Zimbabwe.
Yeah.
That is mainly the challenges. And also
the roads.
The road is terrible.
I posted that picture where you got stuck.
The road is terrible. I'll send you another one now.
Oh, you send me another one?
Yeah. The road is terrible.
But you always sacrifice. I know it's not easy that leaving your family like now. You arrived this morning. You have to drive again. You didn't have time to spend time with your family and so on. But thank you very much for all the sacrifice and the support that you do.
Thank you very much once again.
We want the business to grow. We want to work together. We grow together.
MFS must grow.
It must grow.
It must grow.
Yeah.
We must grow.
Yeah, that was Mr. Nyati. He's one of the senior drivers working for us. You know, he's somebody that I don't get headache when he lives with the family. He always makes sure that we give the best service. But palake matura ya kumana. Mr. Nyati, this is my suggestion. Since these are the clothes, at Kwanse Kudzi, I don't know, do what you do. It's the best. What we cannot carry, we can't. Because it's just that we have to go with diesel. Yeah. I just want one family member to say something. I'll try to get one family member to say something on live. Yeah. I'm trying to find her. All right, show from Daraka. All right, Kawani, please, Mundibata. Once at 2 minutes, I can't go to one word. Ndima indine samchiti munetsi tinoti body yende makandisona ndima kadauspesiya just to say
so what we normally do with this, we just throw it on top of it.
That's what I was suggesting after the live.
Just open up the kitchen.
Yes. Omwe mnani pegraka vana vari kuenda kunamwa vakasiyana siyana zvemufi ndezvipi inyamo consent nezvinhu zvemufi zvinofanira kugovewa zvemufi Yes.
Kuzvisati zvemufi tozvisa pakona apa zvekuti kana masvika easy for you.
Yeah. Ko vamwe vanhu vari kutakura zvinhu vamwe vanhu vari kutakura anti muri kuenda kunamo munongotakurawo bhegi negumbeze inzwai mukomaka isi tiri kutaura kuti handitika isusu tida kukubatsirai handitika tida kuti tishande pamwe chete handitika but isusu what is more important ihembe dzemufi kuti munhu panovigwa munhu abva agovewa vari kuenda hamukwanisi kungotiwo gumbeze kunoti haungatakure magumbeze kungoti hembe 2-3 chete. Yes.
Emufi hanzi aya mabhulangeti saka mabhulangeti toda tisinzwa mberi abhalansire
because imwe mikwende yatakutoona panapa isi yemufi tati imwe mikwende awandisa saka isusu singatange taisa zvemufi toona zvisi tozvisa kusaidi kwavo ndezvipi zvemufi
saka
zvemufi zvichizviunga mosopeka that's the only way kuti tiende nazvo. Yeah. Titofanira kubvumirana tete tishande pamwe chete because tete muri kuona trailer ika it's one of the biggest trailers hakuna imwe and takasasenza in that way hatikwanisi kuzviendesa.